morning. Welcome to another episode of Pacho's Garage. Today, finally working back on the Z. I'm gonna work on the seat brackets for the seats. Yesterday I did a little bit of prep. Since I needed these seats to sit a little higher, bought some of this, drilled them out, and then for the ones that actually have a slider, like this one right here, this guy wouldn't necessarily fit on there, so we had to get these milled. Alex at Siege Manufacturing got them milled for me, so big shout out to him, thank you. But anyways, these guys right here now sit on there flush, so we should be able to get that and that put on there and then put on the car. So I guess the first thing I'm gonna start doing for this is just cleaning these up. There's a lot of little shavings and whatnot. Clean them up like that. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so I got them all cleaned up. All there. I gave a quick wipe with this Ace T1. Pretty good stuff. But yeah, so after this, I'm gonna muck them up on there and give them a quick tack weld to see if they fit properly, and then go from there. So let's do that.
Everything is wild.
So here we have it. I have it currently installed in the car, and she sits well. I don't know if y'all can see much down there, but everything sits where it is, where it's supposed to be. And I sat on it. The view here was perfect. So I think we have a winner. I have to do the passenger side. Well, but first I'm gonna finalize the welds on this thing. So I'm gonna take this out, finalize the welds, give it a paint, and then start working on that side. I got a bunch of stuff here that I need to take out first. So let's finish this guy up first. And just like that, I ran out of gas. So my weld's no good. At least one side. This side's pretty good right there. You can see the penetration, but the other one's not so good. Anyways, I think I'm gonna end it here. But if anyone wants to make their own brackets, it's relatively simple. 2 flat pieces cut with holes that basically go onto the seat itself, and then 2 square tubes. One needs to be grinded down if you're going to use the stock rails, which I would recommend. That way you get forward and back movement. But yeah, you just cut those pieces, very simple. Hold them together, use something like this, and then you just give it a nice coat of paint and throw it on. But anyways, I guess that's gonna do it for today. Now that I got this, I can finish the wiring. I found the pieces that I needed, so I'm gonna wire those up real quick, and hopefully we'll have a startup pretty soon. But in the meanwhile, I'm also work on the Chevelle since it's already here, and I got a lot of parts already for it. But anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.